As the owner of a consulting company and working as a brand strategist, I receive different requests from clients. Recently, I was asked to create a few social media tutorials for beginners. This tutorial was recorded live via Zoom and then later edited. If you would like to see more beginner tutorials like this one, be sure to let me know what type in the comments below. All right, let's get into it. I'm scrolling through my LinkedIn, get past the post. This is cute. Little people are bouncing the balls all together. So I'm gonna go ahead and like that. Yeah, keep scrolling, keep scrolling. Oh, I come across someone that I personally know. Read through it. Okay, this is nice. Okay, Justin. All right, so now I'm not just going to like it, I'm actually going to love it. Now, the difference between these emojis isn't really anything. It doesn't, there's no weight or anything associated other than the fact you want to do a little bit extra. So it's all obviously easy to just like a post when you just go past it and you just press the blue hand. But to show someone that you actually really support them or you actually really love their post, you want to do a little extra. So you can either celebrate with them, support whatever post they is. The post may be funny. I'm actually going to love this one. It's insightful. Okay. And then also curious. Let me learn a little bit more. Does it provide any more weight or anything for their posts? Not necessarily, but it does show the content creator that you're actually read the post, you actually looked at it and said, and put a little more effort into the emoji. So I'm going to love it. And the way that you actually choose which one you would like to use, you hold down or hover over the like button and then just go up and love it. Perfect. Now, I really like this post. It's definitely insightful. Again, I know this person personally, so I'm not just going to love the post. I'm actually going to comment. Now, this is where you actually will provide more weight to the person or to the content creator who created this post. Providing more weight helps them from an engagement standpoint. It helps their posts move along in a person's feed more often. You are showing LinkedIn that you actually really enjoy this post, and what LinkedIn's going to do, their algorithm is going to circulate their posts, their content more often. So I'm actually going to leave a comment. All right, you see what I just did there? I actually tagged Justin because I really want him to actually know that I'm commenting. So what you do, I'll do it again. You actually hit the @ button, and usually if you are commenting on the person's post, their name will show up as the first one. So, wow, Justin, this post is awesome. I love watching your work. Post. And here I am. Now, if I really enjoyed this post for whatever reason, I want other people to look at it from my feed. People that don't follow Justin but follow me, I'm going to repost it. Now, this doesn't really fit in my niche, so I don't really have a reason to post it, but just know if I ever wanted to support Justin or support any content creator, or if I just see a post and I just think somebody else would see value from it like I did, I'm going to repost it. Send is a great option because it actually allows someone to send this post, this particular post, to somebody's direct message. If I want to choose Erica, for example, I do know her personally, I would send her the post and say, "Hey, Erica, look at this post and look what Justin did." So I would send it directly. Now, how does this help? This helps Justin, again, the content creator, to show LinkedIn's algorithm, wow, this post is really doing well. So we're because it's been liked, it's been loved, it's been commented on, it's been reposted, and now someone's sending it directly to a DM. Oh well, yeah, we're gonna circulate Justin's content, or we're gonna circulate this person's content more often because they actually are receiving way more engagement on this than usual. So I'm not going to send it to Erica now, but just know every one of these emoji options or options for LinkedIn does carry weight. All right, so now that is posting when you're just kind of scrolling through your feed. But let's just say you can't find a direct page or a direct person that you want to comment on. So we're just going to search for it. So we're going to search for the boost pad. Perfect. Now I am viewing as a member of the boost pad, as a follower of the boost pad, and because I'm on the desktop, it goes directly to their page. So the look looks a little different than the mobile than the desktop. But I just want to scroll down their post. So you can either press post here and it goes straight to their post, which I probably would recommend doing that, because if you don't, you're going to have to kind of go through the about section, recently posted videos, it kind of goes to some rigmarole instead of just going straight to the post. So I'm going to go straight to the post. And it's usually in chronological order on when the post has been posted. So this is the latest post, and I want to see the whole content. So I press see more so that I can read it. Now let's look at the post. 4 ways to grow your business. Connect with your audience, build emotional connections, offer value, and tell your story. Now this is a great educational post. Since I am posting as myself, I am going to celebrate it because I think it's a great educational. Actually, you know what? I'm going to press insightful because it's very educational and I know I'm going to like it. I'm going to comment. This was a great, insightful post sharing, and I am definitely going to share it. Put a little emoji because that's just my style. All right, post that. But now I'm going to show you how to actually repost. So you just press the repost button. So there's 2 things you can do. You can repost instantly on your personal page without any type of comment or anything added to it, or you want to share your thoughts. Usually I share my thoughts because when you are sharing other people's posts and the people that are following you see your posts, it's not likely that they're going to just click on it, unless it's maybe like a quick quote or something like funny. But usually I like to leave my own kind of content or my own type of quote or something to lead into this post because people are following me for a reason. They trust me and they know they trusted what I say. So I'll say something like, hey, came across this post from. You also want to try to tag the boost pad to show that you are sharing their content. And wanted to share. And then post. All right. Once again, you can also send this post directly to someone's DM if you think it's insightful, someone who wants to read it. One last point I want to make. The more you comment, like, engage on a post, the more you will actually see that person's content or that content on your feed. What I would do, if you know it's a content creator that you want to support or a page you want to support or business you want to support, however you want to support them, I would actually kind of go down and just kind of like their post or comment, whichever way you want to do it. Because now the boost pad will show way more on my feed in the beginning. Now, again, commenting is actually going to have more value. So the more you comment, the more they'll say, wow, this person does really well with your page, or you really engage with this person. So we're going to show their content more often. Yay, we're done. So this concludes how to build LinkedIn engagement for beginners.